This is my Steamcard Pro. I use this ZX Spectrum diagnostic card in all of my repairs. Well, all of the ones where I'm repairing ZX Spectrums. It's not as useful in a C64. Anyway, this Steamcard Pro is, in my humble opinion, the Rolls Royce of the ZX Spectrum diagnostic cards. The creator of it, Dave Steamy Briggs, sent me this one a while back, and I made a video about it on my main channel, link in the description. These cards can be a bit tricky to get hold of. Up till now, Dave has only sold them through Facebook groups such as Sinclair for Everyone. But I do know that you will soon be able to buy them through the Sell My Retro website. So keep an eye out over there for the next couple of months. Or you could purchase a raffle ticket and you might win this one. Dave gave me this Steamcard Pro last year so I could use it to raise some money for charity. And that's exactly what we're doing here today. Now, before we get into the details, I want to quickly update you on the previous charity fundraising events. In 2023 and 2024, I ran two events, the first being the Sinclair themed one where we raised around £12,000, and the second one being the Commodore version where we raised over £18,000 and bought the Befriending Scheme 2 dinky donkeys. The donkeys are called Henry and Sarah and they are very happy at the farm. I will get over there with the camera when the sun shines. In 2025, I kept the Just Giving page open from the 2024 event, and during that time the wonderful members of the Retro Hardware Discord used it as a place to drop donations when they give things away in the trading channel or run their own fundraising events. I've made a 2026 page on Just Giving for the same purpose, but we now have GiveWheel too. GiveWheel is a similar thing to Just Giving in that it takes away all of the organising and financial headache associated with charity fundraising. There are no platform fees, only a small payment processing fee from Stripe. It's about 20p plus a tiny percentage. This means even more of the money raised gets to the Befriending Scheme, plus we now have the means to run raffles. I've wanted to raffle prizes to raise money for charity right from the start, but until recently this was a legal minefield. In the eyes of the law, raffles are a form of gambling and the licensing required to run one would be beyond my means to acquire. Thankfully, GiveWheel does all of the hard work for you and all of the ticket sales will go directly to the Befriending Scheme. I mentioned those previous charity fundraisers involving Sinclair and Commodore earlier, and there is a reason for that. During and after those events, I was sent so many things to auction off for charity, but with just me working flat out every waking moment for months on end, I was only able to sell a portion of it. I still have computers and associated bits and pieces here from both events, and could really do with moving it on to free up some space. I'm literally drowning under old computers here, so help me out with this. And this brings me back to today. I wanted to run a mini raffle to iron out the creases and get used to how this new system works. So I picked out the Steamcard Pro as a nice small prize I could easily post. I got to work setting up the page and creating an event, and I should praise GiveWheel here. The process was simple and professional. I was asked if I wanted to set a target for the amount raised and was tempted not to set one. But it's always a good motivator when people have something to aim at. So I arbitrarily entered £500. I made the event live and shared it with the Retro Hardware Discord, and within about 3 hours the target had been obliterated. As I record this, the amount raised sits at £659, and this was just a test. The raffle is due to end on the 12th of April at 7:59 British summertime, when I will host a live stream and together we will pick the winner. If you would like to buy a ticket, you will find a link to the GiveWheel page in the description. Tickets are £2 each or 10 for £15. You must be over 18 to enter, and whilst you can buy a ticket from anywhere in the world, the prize will only be sent to someone in the UK. If you purchase a ticket from outside the UK and you win, you will be responsible for the full cost of tracked postage and any import duties or local taxes. If you would like to donate without buying a ticket, there's also a button for that too. At this point, I'm also legally obliged to point out that you are able to enter this raffle for free if you send a postcard to the address on screen with the words Steamcard Pro written clearly along with your contact details should you win. I also need to mention that this draw is run by me personally. YouTube is not a sponsor and has no involvement in the raffle. This might only be a test raffle, but I think the Steamcard Pro is a fantastic prize for a first go. Whoever wins it will be really happy to own it, and once this one is complete, I plan to do a series of these events throughout the rest of 2026, raffling off some amazing prizes, including the most incredible Commodore 64 I have ever seen. I won't infringe on anyone's naming conventions by calling this the Ultimate 64, but if there is a word more ultimate than ultimate, the Heart of Fire is it. When this one goes up as a prize, I predict there will be quite a bit of interest. I'll be making a special video showcasing what it consists of and what you could win once we get to that one. I also have many other regular unmodified computers to offer up as prizes, and I'll be organising those soon. And one more custom machine that a special member of our Retro Hardware Discord, Peter, is currently creating. Built from scraps and community spirit, Pete has turned something that was literally on its way to the bin into a machine that we all want to win. Again, I will be showcasing that machine when it gets its turn. Please keep an eye open here or on Discord for news of future events, and let's see how much we can raise over the course of this year. Finally, you may have noticed that advertising is switched on with this video. Don't worry, all proceeds I make from this episode will be donated to the cause. It helps the video to be seen if adverts are switched on, but please help by sharing it far and wide, if you're able to. Good luck in the draw, everyone. I'm not allowed to enter. That doesn't seem very fair. I don't want calls of fix.